Hey guys, this is Jarrett from Bowling RV. Right behind me I have a Cougar 320RDS. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so let's take a look at the outside. So first thing, let's talk about this. Does come with a heated and enclosed underbelly, and it also has the Solar Flex 200 up top on the roof. We have the nice solid steps right here and a nice giant oversized grab handle to help you get up into the camper. Up top, we have a absolutely humongous electric awning with a full-length LED strip for great visibility at night. We also have two marine-grade outdoor speakers. On the outside, we have our outlets for anything you might want to plug in, and a huge amount of pass-through storage. We have our cord that comes with the unit, and satellite and cable hookup with some more outlets if you want to hook up a TV outside. Over here we have one of our two 30-pound propane tanks. This is mirrored on the other side of the unit as well. Coming to the front cap, we have our spare tire inside, and over here we have our dual 100 amp hour lithium ion batteries. Taking a step back, we can take a look at the front cap with our two LED strips going up the sides and our hitch vision right below. We also have the rubber insert inside of the hitch to give it a smoother ride. Coming over here, we have our other 30-pound propane tank. And under here, we have our electronic leveling system, our shutoff for the solar panels, and all of our connections with our slot right down below, so you can hook everything up, lock the door, and walk away and forget about it. Coming down this side of the camper, you can see our city water connection on the end with our shore power right back here and our hitch down below. Up top we have our pre-wire for our backup camera and our ladder. Alright, now that we're inside, let's head on to the living room. So one of the first things you're going to notice is just the sheer amount of windows that this unit has. A lot of campers, they're only going to have windows on one, maybe two sides. You have them on all three back here. So no matter where your campsite is, where that campfire is, or the lake is, you're always going to be able to have the view that you want. Over here we do have our table and chairs. It is a no knee knocker table, so you don't have to worry about that. Over here we do have our theater seating connected to our trifold sofa. So this does extend all the way to make this one giant sleeping area. Right up above that we do have our storage. And then up top again we have some absolutely great lighting fixtures. It really makes you feel at home when you're in this. And since this does have quite a few windows, all of these windows do come with blackout curtains, so no matter where your neighbor is, you can always have your privacy. And then coming back over here, we have our hideaway TV that is a smart TV and a 4K TV. And on both sides of those, we do have our storage. Quite a bit of space up here with outlets on both sides to hook up an entertainment system, DVD player, whatever you'd like. Swinging back over to the kitchen, you're going to see all of this counter space. It's like you're in an actual kitchen in an apartment. Alright, so coming over here, we do have our 3-burner stovetop with our oven down below and our microwave up top. Up above the microwave, we have our first little kitchen storage area with our cabinet to the side of it. And my arm goes all the way to my elbow. Down below that we do have our first drawer with our silverware holder and some little extra spots to the next to it for some spatulas, wooden spoons, whatever you might like. And we have some two pretty deep ones right below that. Right next to that we do have our spot for a trash can and our under the sink storage. For the sink, it does come with a drying rack and a cutting board cover. And it is a stainless steel sink with two pretty deep dishes. Going over to the fridge now, we have a giant freezer section And the fridge section to match it, with our crisper drawers on the bottom and our freezer drawers on the left. Heading up here now, we do have our in-command system, so you can power your slides, check your tanks, and lock it up from the kiddos or whoever might be over. We have our steps right down with our handle. Coming into the bathroom, we do have our shower with our hangover chair, a nice big shower head that is adjustable, shower vent right up above, our toilet, and then our sink. This unit does come with a tankless on-demand hot water heater, so you don't have to worry about taking breaks in between showers. Everybody can just follow everybody and everyone can be dressed pretty quickly in the morning. Coming over here, we do have our mirror with our medicine cabinet right behind it. Coming over to the bedroom now, we do have a full-size king bed with windows on both sides of it. So first thing you see when you wake up in the morning is going to be the outdoors. We also have shelves up top and then curtains to block out the windows if you'd like. We have outlets and USBs by the bed for charging as well as a second AC. Coming back here, we have a lot of closet storage with your hanger slots up above so they're not sliding around when you're towing this to your destination. We also have outlets in here for a CPAP machine or anything else you might need, and mirror sliding doors. Coming over to the other closet now, we do have our washer and dryer prep in here and some shelves up top with another outlet. Last thing in here, we do have our dresser. We got the top drawers and our two bottom ones. Alright guys, so that was the 2023 Cougar 320RDS. If you have any questions about it, reach out to Bullion RV and ask for Jarrett if you want the best deal.